Is your pavement filled with potholes, dips, and bumps? Your guests and clients don't want to walk over an uneven surface. Limitless Golden Construction is here to help. Our team specializes in quality paving, masonry, and excavation services in Westchester and Putnam County, New York. Walking or driving on a smooth surface is an unspoken satisfaction. Increase your property value with fresh paving and masonry designs. Protect your family and clients with safe pavement surfaces. Lastly, relieve your property from costly water damage with effective drainage. You want to make sure you invest in a project that you're going to do once and you don't find yourself doing this project in the next 5 to 7 years. Just because you had a bad experience with a different company, that should not stop you from completing the renovation project you want at your property. A company with great ratings is most likely to be the right company to come and do your project. Call 914-810-3125 now to speak with our top-rated contractors. We happily provide free inspections on all paving, masonry, and excavation services. Do it right. Get your free quote today.